Hello guys! For today's video, pag-uusapan natin kung paano nga ba mag-apply dito sa Hong Kong as a domestic helper. Unang-una nyo pong gagawin is maghanap po kayo ng mga legit na agencies na magpaprocess po ng papers nyo. Wala na po tayong placement fee. Processing fee lang po ang magagastos nyo dito sa pag-apply sa Hong Kong. Ang processing fee po is para po yan sa mga medical nyo kasi bago po kayo mag process ng mga papers nyo sa agency is may pre-medical po kung fit to work po ba kayo, at pagkatapos po ng pa-flight na kayo may final medical din po yun, 5K yata pre-med at saka final is 5K, so 10K yung mga gastos nyo. Kaya yun, pre-med, tapos 3 days lang po malalaman na po yung result kung fit to work po pa kayo. Kung fit to work kayo, sasabihan naman po kayo ng agency na pwede na po kayo magpasa ng iba yung mga requirements para ma-market na dun dito sa Hong Kong. And so yun, kasi may VTR po na hinihingi yung agency. Galingan nyo po yung paggawa ng VTR. Magbibigay naman po na example yung agency kung paano gawin. Tsaka yun, galingan nila yun guys para mapili agad ng employer. At ilalagay ko rin dito guys yung ginawa kong VTR sa huli ng aking vlog. And kayo na pong bahala. Tsaka yun, mano-mano lang po yung ginawa kong video. At tsaka kung ginalingan ko, mas gagalingan nyo pa para madali po kayong mapili ng employer. So, yun lang guys, and thank you for watching.
Sinsang Taytay Liho. My name is Rosella Antiala. I was born on April 24, 1989. I am 33 years old. I am from Cebu City, Philippines. I am single parent, blessed with 2 children, ages 12 years old girl and 10-year-old boy. My highest education attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies are cleaning, washing, cooking, and gardening as well. I worked as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for 2 years, from October 2020 to October 2022. I have served 4 members of the family, a couple, ages 35 years old and 33 years old, together with their children, ages 7-year-old boy and 7-month-old girl, and their 2 dogs. My duties are to take care of the family, cleaning, washing, cooking, and marketing. I am willing to take care of an elderly or children. I can sing a nursery rhyme song like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemate. I promise you that I will do all my very best to do my duties and responsibilities. I will respect the whole family and I will treat the children as my own. Thank you. I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. God bless you.